In this episode of the Phuket Tourism News, we talk about the top 25 restaurants in Phuket and where you can go to eat on your holiday here in Phuket. Hi guys, and welcome to the Phuket Tourism News. We come to you whenever we feel like it. It used to be weekly, used to be bi-weekly, and now it's just whenever we've got time. This is my co-host,
Jay! Hello, I'm Jay and welcome to the...
Forget your name?
I'm excited about this. I'm very
Did you forget your name?
No, but I'm disappointed you're not excited about this. You said to me, only do Phuket Tourism News when something exciting and positive happens. Because yes, there's loads of negative news, like the traffic is abysmal right now.
The reason we haven't done anything for the last 4 weeks is because there's been nothing good to talk about?
Not really, but there hasn't been too much stuff in my research of searching Phuket Tourism News.
For those of you who have been asking, Dr. Pepper is back.
But it's still not available in Thailand.
There were some comments about why we didn't have Dr. Pepper in our videos.
Ah.
The real truth is that Jay drank it all, and the hats, we misplaced them, but we refound them. And what is that?
This is a new one. I got a big thanks up to Alex Longman. He got me this.
Alex is a good guy.
Alex is very good. In fact, I'm going to bring that up in a minute.
I was going to say, Alex has got about 30 restaurants.
Well,
all he is in the top 25.
Here it is, Sean. Phuket breaking news. The top 25 restaurants awards have been announced for 2023.
As voted by?
Shall I be honest with you? As voted by the Phuket Top 25 Restaurants.com. So they're doing exactly what they say on the tin. What's wrong with this? No, there's some... Do you want me to go? I tell you what, I'm going to do it in reverse order. Don't shake your head like that, okay?
Out of these top 25,
yes,
as you state the name,
yes,
please state whether you've eaten there or not.
Well, okay, we'll both do that. It's a good game. Yes. Good game. Okay.
Number 25.
That's right. Big Fish Seafood.
Never heard of it. Don't even know where it is.
No, apparently it's up north somewhere. It's on Nihan Beach. I have no idea, but well done
for your big fish.
Guess what they serve?
Big fish.
Yes. Right. Do you want to do it? Can you remember what number it is now?
Number 24.
That's right. Souvenar.
You can't even pronounce it.
No, I can't. Have you ever heard of that one?
No.
No, nor have I. But do you know what? It's really hot here, isn't it?
I was going to say,
my eyes are melting.
You know the reason we haven't heard of any of these?
Why?
You and I go to the poor street food restaurants, and these are probably posh.
I'm just doing a video about Somtan, a really good Somtan yesterday at a mum and pup shop.
I talked to you yesterday after you talked
it was I couldn't speak. It was so spicy. Anyway, that one's in town somewhere. I don't know where it is.
Number 23.
Talung Thai.
No, I haven't heard of it either.
No, that's on the west coast somewhere.
We're doing a really good job of promoting these restaurants.
No, we are. We'll put them all listed in the description. Don't worry. That's at the Parissa Resort up on in Kamala.
Okay, good.
So that's the resort.
22.
Sure. You'll know this one. Ban Rimpa.
Why is that not in the top 10?
Well, I'm not sure if this is... I don't know how this works. I don't know if it's a 25... I don't know if it's 1 to 25 or it's just 25. I'm not sure. Maybe... I don't know. Anyway, we like that one.
So the numbers are irrelevant then?
No, but let's keep doing the numbers because I want to see if you can remember them.
All right. Well, I really like Ban Rimpa. I think it's a beautiful restaurant. It's got a great view. Perfect place to go to sunset. If you have friends coming to Phuket and they want to try realistic Thai food, but in a beautiful environment, you should go to Ban Rimpa.
Yes.
And we have no bias there because one of our best friends does not work there.
Not at all. I had my first date with my first ever Thai girlfriend there.
Yeah, that's why he's still single.
Yeah, absolutely. Next up, I'm not sure how to say this one, Sean.
What number are we at?
You're counting.
20-something?
22, I think. Carl keep count. It's all right. A Cola Star Lounge in Shillong. It's a rooftop bar at V Villas Phuket. You ever heard of it?
I know V Villas. We work very closely with V Villas for some of our tours. So it's a great place to stay, and I'm certain it's an amazing restaurant and you should go eat there.
Okay, this one you have heard of, but now I've eaten there. Siam Supper Club. Thank you very much, Alex Longman, for this.
Also, Alex has got... Is this Alex's
I'm not
list?
sure... Well, no, I'm not sure I should say that I'm not sure if he does own it 100%, but he's definitely got his finger in that one of those pies. Kev, what I said to him.
There's a lot of expats are investing in that restaurant.
It's called a steakhouse. I'm not sure if it is a steakhouse or not, but it's a very cool restaurant. Shall I go there?
Very first time I went to Siam Supper Club was my 10th day that I was here in Thailand.
Wow.
And when I went, the general manager of the Siam Supper Club said to me, he said, let me guess, you've been here for about a week, you've been eating Thai food and you need some really great home-style food. And I said, that's exactly what I want. And he said, well, you're in the right place because this is where you should come.
Good restaurant in the Laguna area. I might go and check it out.
Seems a little posh though.
No, it's not. It's not that posh. If I can go there.
Go like that.
Well, no, I couldn't go like that, but I might do. Anyway, right, next, 1920. Carl, just do the numbers for us. Thanks. Bon Pan Asian Tapas. Now, this one sounds really cool, right? It's on the west coast.
Bong?
I said Bon, B-O-N.
Oh, I thought you said bong.
Not bong.
It's one of those restaurants that's also a weed shop.
Wicked man. 420, baby. Peace and love. It offers tapas, a blend of cultures across Asia, Chinese, Vietnam, Mongolia to Japanese specialities, fused with European flavours, deliver a broad range of tapas. That sounds pretty cool. Can I go?
Yeah, you can go.
Thanks. Blue Elephant is next up.
Yeah. Well, that's
I've been there. Amazing restaurant. It's an amazing restaurant, and it's in the middle of Phuket town, and it's very, very cool. It's beautiful. Colonial building. Stunning. Right, next up. So I keep going. Semidi Tasbu.
Yeah, you've obviously not been there.
No, I haven't. Apparently, this is its first intermachini restaurant. You know what that means?
I feel like, are we getting paid to read this?
I don't know, because I can't read any of them. Plus, my eyes are watering. I can't see anything.
Actually, anyone watching us, it's impossible we get paid to do anything because we get less than 100 views on a video.
Sure, should we get more than that? We get 120 sometimes. Well, this is a mix of Japanese and Italian cuisine, apparently.
That's nice.
Yeah, so that's, I don't know, it's on the west coast somewhere.
Sushi on spaghetti.
Sushi on spaghetti. Yeah. Next up is Age, which is an international restaurant up by in the north of the islands. Anantara. It says north, but it says Anantara Layan, so that's not north.
Anantara Layan?
Yeah. So Anantara, there's a restaurant there called Age. I've actually seen the advert for it because it's a nice.
It's really expensive, but I don't go there.
What? It's a nice restaurant. Be positive, Sean. Next up, Saffron. Do you know where that is? It's at Banyan Tree. I bet you've never been there either.
100%.
A lot of these restaurants are based at hotels, but they are very good. Anyway, that's in the top 25. Taikai, rustic Thai restaurant.
Never heard of it.
All right, this is going very well. That's at the Rosewood, Phuket. That's down in Patong.
We love the Rosewood. Beautiful hotel.
It is a stunning hotel.
Great people. We ran a wedding from there not long ago.
Did you? Congratulations.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you, mate. You didn't tell me. I wasn't invited. Next one is Taking, which is a Taking restaurant. Is a Renaissance Phuket. That's a very nice restaurant as well. Okay. I like that one. That's Thai restaurant. Should I keep going?
Yeah.
Are you interested in this?
What number are we at now?
I don't know.
You bring enough Dr. Pepper for us?
I like it. I want to eat this one. Eat it, drink it. Tenguku.
Oh, you definitely haven't been to this one.
No, I haven't. Apparently, it's a restaurant at the Intercontinental. What's up?
Oh, hello. We love the Intercontinental. They were awesome when we flooded here in October last year. They rallied all the hotels on the island and provided something like 12,000 meals. Go there. Good. Japanese restaurant, that one. Right, up next. I like this one. This one's called Hey. H-E-H. Hey. Oh, from Faulty Towers.
Hey. Manuel.
I love that show.
It's a hamster, Mr. Forty. It's hamster, Mr. Forty.
Mr. Forty.
No, it's hamster. He's not hamster. Hamsters are small and cuddly. Cuddle this, you'd never play the guitar again.
Don't mention the war.
Seriously, click off our video and go watch Faulty Towers.
Oh yeah, there was only 14. There was only 14 episodes. Go and watch it. It was brilliant. Anyway, this is apparently Australian cuisine. What's Australian cuisine? Get a shrimp, and that's it. Right, can I just wipe my eyes? Yeah. God, for big man, it's got hot. Aqua Restaurant, you must have been there.
Yeah, beautiful Italian.
Aqua's an amazing restaurant, a great Italian. That's on the west coast.
Meant to be the best Italian on the island.
Well, it's in the top 25, so it must be. Jarrus, which is a modern Thai on the west coast at the Intercontinental Phuket again.
Jeez.
Yep.
Are they a hotel or are they an award-winning Michelin restaurant?
Oh, well, I don't know. Well, this could be classified as racist and bullying. It's called Black Ginger.
Oh, let's not go there.
Can I not make any jokes at all?
Let's not go there.
Oh, that's brilliant lineup.
Draw the line.
I've actually eaten it.
Bleep.
No. I've got so many.
Next one.
I've got so many jokes in my head.
One.
No, but hold on. It's at the Slate restaurant. It's a really good restaurant. I have eaten there, and it is very, very nice. Soy restaurant. You must have eaten there with Chef Noi, famous Chef Noi.
Can I be really honest and say I had never ever eaten at Soy, but
beautiful.
A friend of ours had their birthday there, just a quiet birthday dinner about 2 weeks ago.
Right, okay.
And it changed my mind. It was beautiful. The reason I didn't want to go there because I thought it was going to be very swanky. And
no,
I don't like to go to swanky places.
It's not swanky.
I'm happy to go sit on the floor and eat sometime with my hands. But
it's not that level.
I went there and it was very beautiful food, very nice service, and it wasn't like that uppity swanky.
No, honestly, Chef Noi is a really, really good friend of mine. I love Chef Noi.
no shoes, and they accepted me.
Remember, go and watch our video about do's and don'ts in Thailand, because that is something you don't do. No, but Chef Noi is amazing. He has got a sway restaurant. There's also a Daily Dose, which is in Boat Avenue. He's got a couple of other places in Phuket Town. The guy is awesome. He was an Iron Chef. I love him to death. He's gorgeous, gorgeous man. Although he's half German, which does put me off a little bit. But no, I love you. Right, next up is Nihan, which is an intimate Thai restaurant. Ever heard of it?
No.
No, should we move on then? Okay, well, they use fresh local vegetables, which is always good. Samat restaurant, which is in Shillong. You ever been there, Nihan?
No.
Okay, well, that's a Thai restaurant as well. This is going very well. Right, we're now into the top 1, 2, 3, 4. The top 4.
Oh, here we go.
Right. Up at Trisara.
Coming in at 4.
Oh, good. I like what you did there. Nice one. Prue, P-R-U restaurant. Have you been there? It's an amazing restaurant up at Trisara.
An amazing location.
Amazing location, amazing venue. I love Trisara. It's my first ever DJ residency was at Trisara.
Probably one of the best resorts.
I think so.
All of Phuket.
I think so.
Second to Amanpuri. Shout out to Amanpuri.
Can I just say, it's only because Shaun went there this week, so he has to say that. I love Trisara. I think it's an amazing restaurant. And the chef there, Jimmy's really cool. They've actually got their own farm, which they grow all their own stuff, and then they take it to the restaurant. It's very, very cool. Next up is number 3.
Well, wait.
Go on.
Coming in 3rd.
A Jampa.
Bronze medal.
Jampa.
Jumper.
Yeah, it's a concept of farm to fork based at serving creative food and menu of sophisticated, tasty and nutritious dishes that changes daily based on what's fresh that day, which is a good concept.
That's cool.
I don't know where it is though, it's on the west coast somewhere.
Coming in at 2 with a silver medal.
Bonjour, comment ça va? Give it up for La Rome by La Merde. I think I just
sound like a Thai restaurant.
I think I just swore because I think Merde means shit.
No.
I think I'm supposed to say Merde.
Beep that.
Yeah, it's only to be fair, I'll beat that bit as well. Oh, God. Anyway, it's on Kalim Bay. It's a French restaurant. Very nice. You get frogs, legs and snails and lots of garlic, and that's very stereotypical.
You don't know because you've never been there.
No, I went there when it was white box years ago. Not that kind of white box. Stop it, Shaun. Grow up. Finally,
the
number 1 restaurant.
Hold it back.
Yep.
Number 1, let's start with the location, not the name.
Okay. The Intercontinental Phuket Resort. They got many.
Oh my gosh!
How many restaurants have you got?
How big's your hotel?
It's massive. It's got a massive hotel.
Shout out to Bjorn then.
What's that, Bjorn?
The GM there. You've got 3 of the top 25 restaurants in all of Phuket.
Do you know he's my second favourite Bjorn in the whole of the world?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Who's your first?
Bjorn Borg.
Who's that?
He's a tennis player, I think.
Oh.
From years ago.
Left or right-handed?
I've never asked him, really.
How could be your favourite tennis player if you don't know which hand he plays?
He's not my favourite tennis player. He's my favourite Bjorn.
Okay. All right, well, Intercontinental, well done. Awesome work. And the name of the restaurant is?
Hom.
Is that Thai? It must be a Thai restaurant.
It is modern Thai. Hom. H-O-M.
I would really like to go there.
Which, from where I'm from, it's not the best name, that's for sure.
Shout out to Bjorn if you get us a gift certificate to go there, because by the look of it, Jay and I can't afford it.
No, we can't afford it, but anyway, let us know. We'd love to come and eat some food there.
And if anyone can do anything about fuel prices, then maybe we can afford it.
No, this is a Phuket Tourism News. It's positive. They, ladies and gentlemen, were your top 25 restaurants, currently voted by the top 25 restaurants, Phuket.com.
And if you would like Jay to go and visit any of them on his own time, on his own dime, and to video it, please drop your comment below. If you've been to any of them, drop a comment below as well. We would love to hear it. This is, in all seriousness, we had no good news, so we just did this.
No, this is positive. I think it's important. There's some amazing restaurants. There's an amazing gastronomy in Phuket. Not only is there local street food, it's amazing. Local Thai food's amazing. There's some great restaurants. And if you've got a budget, then you can go to the local Thai food. If you want to spend a bit more money and you're a foodie, go up there.
Something to say in this area, because Jay runs Phuket's best burger competition.
Well, we're going to change it now. It's just going to be called Burger Fest, I think.
So, as somebody who eats a lot of burgers, and we can tell, he eats a lot of burgers. He knows where the best burgers are on the island. Now he knows where the best restaurants are on the island. So congratulations to Jay for bringing this news to us.
Carl, just bleep this bit out. Shall we go now?
We cannot go before our obligatory. We're not sponsored by Dr. Pepper, but we do like Dr. Pepper stuff. We have the cans, we have the hats.
And the bottles.
We have the bottles. We're asking for shirts, and just so you know, it's very dire in our office. There's no red frogs. Anyone help us with that?
Yeah, please get Shaun some red frogs. I don't particularly like them.
Very grumpy without red frogs.
He really is. Look, you had to go at me earlier. He'll be happy. If there was red frogs for him, he'd be a happy boy, wouldn't you?
Yep. So that's it for your Phuket tourism news, which comes infrequently, randomly, as we decide to film it.
Yeah, but it's fun though, isn't it?
It is. I quite enjoy it.
Good.
I'm having a beautiful time filming it. If the sun was less hot.
I'm glad the sun's gone in now.
Yeah,
God,
that's
that was
good.
hot.
That's it, guys. Say bye-bye. Thank you to all our editors for all the bleeps.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.